Hey everybody, so I got a quick haul from Autozone. I picked up a couple items for a custom exhaust job. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I grabbed a couple items from Autozone. One of the items, it may work, it may not work, I don't know. Get all stuff out. These are all sure-built items, I think, except one. This one's made by Nicholson, or these are Nixons, my bad. These are exhaust insulators. These two are also exhaust insulators, but these, which is funny because these say Ford, GM, and Honda on them, and these are identical to what's on my 4Runner. They says they're made in India, which is interesting. And this one, claim Aries Reliant, Aries Reliant, Aries E-Class, and LeBron's Reliant 400 and 600, Carvel, Lancer, Charger, Horizon, Omni, Turismo, Chrysler, Fifth Avenue, Daytona Laser, Dodge Track, Rampage, Dynasty E-Class, LeBaron, New York Spirit, Horizon Omni Reliant or Horizon Turismo, Pontiac Sunbird, Shadow Spirit Sundance, and Turbo, Shelby Charger Turbo. These are just what states on the back with the years and what cylinders. You can use this isolator for any vehicle as long as it works for your application, or you customize and make something to work for your application. I picked up a flat band exhaust clamp. They're just, this is a 2.5 inch band clamp. And what they're used for is an example. Let's see. For an example, you butt two pipes like this together, and you put the clamp over these two pipes, and you clamp these two pipes together is what you use it for. The reason I grabbed one is I'm test fitting. This is going to be as a temporary thing. I need to cut out the exhaust on the 4Runner, but I don't have my my argon gas. I picked up a refill of argon gas, so I don't have any gas. So I'm going to use these to clamp everything together. And this one was bought because it was $11. You know, everything on Amazon is like $15 to $20 for these clamps. So I bought this as a test piece to test fit it, see if it actually works, to see if these are actually rated at 2.5 inch inner diameter pipe rating or 2.5 inch outer diameter pipe rating. That was my curiosity, because it doesn't say. And just because this goes on the outside does not mean that you do not need what the inner diameter pipe is. So for an example, if you order exhaust and you order it for 2.5 inch inner diameter pipe, then actually the outer diameter pipe is actually 2 inches and 3/4 of an inch on the outside. So it would actually be 2.75, but the pipe is actually 2.5 inner diameter pipe is actually slightly smaller than 2 3/4 on the outside. It's actually 2.71 inches, which is 4 thousandths shy of 3/4. But I picked this up. I'm going to take it out of the package. I'm going to go just instead of cutting the pipe where the muffler needs to be replaced, I'm going to just take my exhaust tip off because the pipe's the same size, and I'm going to butt my muffler up to my new muffler up to it, and we'll see if this will wrap and tighten around the end. If it does, then I need 2.5 inch. If it doesn't, then I need 2 3/4. So these are going to be for the custom hangers that I need to make for the extra items that I'm installing. Part number for these two guys is 17219. Part number for this guy is 17160. And the flat band exhaust clamp is 95212. Picked all these up at Autozone. I actually got my my 4th or 5th point or whatever that is. I don't remember. I think it's the 4th or 5th point. What's the paper say? And everything here was only 25 bucks. For 5th point. So I actually have $20, you know, free to spend at AutoZone the next time I get there. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Just a short little haul. You know, nothing like major. I'll let you guys know if this fits 2.71 inch outer diameter pipe. If it doesn't, I'll let you guys know. I'll do like an update to this video. Or I'll record another video, because I'm probably going to get busy and forget to do an update, and then I'll end up editing the video and forgetting that I had another piece to edit in. I'll just do another video, or I'll update the description of this video. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, and my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And go down in the description below and go check out the Ulsa Tools link I have that has my initials in it. That is a link for 10% off anything at ulsatools.com. If you guys are looking for organization, or you guys are looking for some specific types of hand tools, you know, I do have some things coming up for Ulsa Tools, some videos that we'll be doing. So I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!